okay.
The Lexus NX is completely redesigned for the 2022 model year and poised to make even bigger waves in the compact luxury SUV segment, especially with a new plug-in hybrid variant. The second-generation NX sports a more aggressive look than the original. The company tweaked the front grille, which is now more upright and significantly wider, complete with a mesh design that creates a nice 3D effect. Each trim level gets its own variation, by the way. In the rear, you'll notice full-width taillights as seen on the IS and UX. Also notable is the missing L logo, which has been replaced by new Lexus lettering in the middle of the liftgate. The new Lexus Interface incorporates a standard 9.8-inch or optional 14.1-inch center touchscreen that is oriented toward the driver. The infotainment system is wirelessly compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 7-inch digital instrument panel and available 10-inch head-up display, both NX firsts, complete the cockpit. There is also a new virtual assistant to interact with the infotainment system. Designed with dual microphones, enhanced noise cancellation, seat detection and speaker location capabilities, it enables a voice-first approach to access navigation, media, phone and certain vehicle settings. Other available technologies include a wireless smartphone charger and over-the-air software updates. The 2022 Lexus NX offers a choice of 2 gasoline models and 2 hybrid models. The first one uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine producing 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed transmission and all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 8.8 seconds. A brand new and exciting addition is the NX 350 2.4 Turbo, which delivers 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Featuring the same 8-speed transmission and AWD combo, it sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7 seconds. For customers who prefer a hybrid powertrain, the NX 350 Hours, formerly known as NX 300 Hours, packs 239 horsepower and reaches triple-digit speeds from a standstill in 7.4 seconds. Last but definitely not the least is the new NX 450 Hours Plus plug-in hybrid. Rated at 302 horsepower, just like the Toyota RAV4 Prime, it provides an EV range of approximately 58 kilometers.